ever pondered on the significance of zinc in male sexual health? It might be more crucial than you think. Zinc plays a pivotal role in the development and function of male sexual organs. Evidence shows that males with a deficiency in zinc often have less developed testes and a reduced sperm count. This essential mineral aids in the production of vital sex hormones, such as testosterone and prolactin, and facilitates the creation of the main component of prostatic fluid. Scientific studies suggest that dietary zinc may have a direct impact on male sexual competency. For instance, in one research study, rats that received a moderate daily oral dose of zinc sulfate exhibited an increase in time before ejaculation and penile thrusting. A separate study conducted in 2016 found that a supplement containing folic acid, zinc, and the herb golden root improved the ejaculatory control of those affected by premature ejaculation. Some researchers propose that zinc supplements could also serve as a potential treatment for erectile dysfunction, particularly in individuals with long-term kidney disease. Erectile dysfunction is a condition where the penis has difficulty becoming or staying erect during sex. It's a condition that affects an estimated 30 million men in the United States alone, as per the American Urological Association. Most cases of erectile dysfunction arise from a combination of physical and emotional factors. Physical elements such as high blood sugar and cholesterol can reduce blood flow, limiting penile firmness. Emotional factors such as stress can decrease sexual desire or confidence. Serious illnesses, particularly those affecting hormone regulation and blood systems, can also lead to erectile dysfunction. In recent years, there has been a connection drawn between zinc deficiency and erectile dysfunction. An estimated 17% of the global population is thought to suffer from zinc deficiency. The symptoms range from loss of energy and poor appetite to slow healing wounds and long-term respiratory infections. Cases of severe zinc deficiency are relatively rare, often caused by genetic disorders or illnesses. However, moderate cases of zinc deficiency are relatively common and typically associated with an imbalanced or poor diet. In conclusion, the role of zinc in male sexual health can't be understated. It plays a critical role in the development of male sexual organs, the production of key sex hormones, and even the potential treatment of erectile dysfunction. It's clear that maintaining adequate levels of zinc is crucial for male sexual health. So the next time you consider your dietary choices, remember the importance of zinc.